Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website, which is officially website gigabyte.com, and then right inside you can see this is search tab. To enter your model number B86 Gaming X WIFI6E, then hit enter. Click on product, then click on title. This is your motherboard, so click on support. Then select your operating system which is required. So if you are using any Windows 10 11, because installations process same, driver same. Okay, VGA driver, this is VGA driver and this is size 915 MB, and click to download. It will start downloading automatically. So I already downloaded. I see you this 195. Just click after downloaded and then double click to install. Then click to yes. Now this is installing. Wait few seconds, it will start it automatically, and automatically close means this is installed. Now this is installing. And this is close automatically. This is install and close it.